You bad like that, you know. But I'm the one.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new, and for my returning kinfolks, what's up? So you guys, in today's video I decided to do a little mini vlog. I had some family come in town, so we decided to go and do Top Golf here in Atlanta, and I just want to say the vibe was nice. It was a really good time. We went during the day, so of course, you know, bays were empty and it wasn't crowded at all. It was just a nice vibe. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this out there, you guys. I love Top Golf, but I am terrible at it. Clearly y'all seen that your girl, you know, was striking out like the first couple of balls, but it's all good. I ended up, you know, doing my thing a little later on in the game, and look y'all, I ended up still being number one. I mean, I didn't win by a whole lot, but I won enough to say, yo, I hit that first place. After the first round, we decided to switch to the Angry Birds game, the second round, and y'all, the Angry Birds version was fun, so y'all gotta try that out when y'all go to play Top Golf. But anyways, y'all know I couldn't slide out of Top Golf without showing y'all the food. Everything was good. These wings were straight fire. My cousin said the burger wasn't hitting, so I wouldn't get that, but those wings was it. Okay. But you guys, after Top Golf, I decided to go to the hair store. My cousin told me she was gonna help me do my hair in these passion twists, so I went and got some hair so that we can go ahead and knock that out. And I really didn't know what hair to get, so she had to help me out on which hair, because y'all, I don't really be doing these styles, but I wanted something that was going to be protected. And if I'm being completely honest, y'all, I'm getting to that age to where I am really tired of doing my hair, you know. But y'all, I do apologize for not filming her and I doing my hair. My camera actually died, but this is the end result. We used the rubber band method, and this is how it turned out. I think that my hair turned out just fine, cute. The ones in the back look better than the ones in the front, unfortunately. But yeah, y'all, this is the style, and we gonna see how long I keep this in. I normally don't be keeping my hair in nothing for more than a week, so I'm gonna try to give this a little bit of time, just because it took us a little bit of time to get it done, but I also want to stop doing my hair so much. But anyways, you guys, this has been a lovely little mini vlog. I thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. If you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, especially if this is your first or second time watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Oh, and if this is your first time watching a video, go ahead and check out some more of my content. Peace.